Hi everyone, it's Joe, the surfing expert. I'm here today at the Kona Board House to make a custom surfboard. So this is the board we'll be making here today. The board I chose, so I wanted something really for the East Coast and especially for the spring when we get a lot of wind swells and so kind of like a graveler, but I still wanted some performance. Alright, well here's the final shape. We looked at it first on the computer, then it was cut by the machine, and this is how it came out. You can see now that looks like a surfboard. That's the wingtail we were looking at, and this is like rounded square. Then you have the V of the tail, double concave, single, and then kind of like a lot of volume here at the top just to for easy paddling, and the nose here. Just yeah, the shape we saw on the computer. It's good to now see the board taking form. Next, it'll be hand shaped by Mike from Kona Surf Company, and after that, the board just needs to be glassed and hit the water.